Hello, welcome. Last video, I created a company structure, organization unit. This video, I will create security groups and some employees and end users to groups. You can see I already created some users and security group. Okay, first we'll have a look in the security group. I already created some groups like RT admins, RT users. How to create? In the security group, right click and new and group. So in here, you type in group name like RT admins. Default is global. We just use a global. Click OK. It's very simple. Create a group. And for the user, so in the RT, you create, right click and new user. For example, like John, you just John and user login name John. Next, because I already have this user, so maybe John 2. Have a look. Next. So this asks you to create a password. So you can change password next login or not. Yeah, I will check this one. Okay. I don't want to create anymore, just demo here. Cancel. Okay. Next, I want to join like add this user to group. Just right click this user and add to a group. So like this one, I think I already added co-RT, check name. So RT admins. Okay, click OK. See, success landed. Same process. And to a group. Search your group, check name. And I put this guy to the RT users. Okay. Yeah. Follow the same process and structure which user to which group and finish all the process. Yes, this all for this lab. Thank you.